Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Groupwatch function on Disney Plus. If you would like to watch a movie with your friends simultaneously if you are not at the same place. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the avatar icon down below, which is the last one, then tap on your avatar. Then click on Edit Profiles, tap on your avatar again. Scroll down till you find the Groupwatch plus Share Play section, then switch it on by tapping on it, and then all you have to do is typing in your password. Tap on Confirm. Now the Groupwatch function is turned on. You need to go back to your home page, but first you have to press the button Done. Now you need to select the movie that you would like to watch with your friends and start streaming it by pressing the button Groupwatch in the middle of the screen. You can invite your friends by tapping on the invite icon and then start streaming by clicking on Start Stream. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and see you in the next